This thing is a beast. It's on 3, and I think the highest I've gotten is 4 or 5. I'm scared to put it, that's speed steps. I'm scared to put it much higher. It might take off like a rocket. This thing's amazing. And it's got some of my favorite rolling stock. The Microtrains Bulkhead cars, they're awesome. Just like my Kato Gunderson container cars. These things are some of the best rolling stock that I own. Like I said, besides the Gunderson rolling stock. Yeah, I got some things wired up I need to finish. It'll be a while though. I'm busy playing right now. Finally, it took a week or so, but finally, like the little baby Alco S2 also.